Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pho spicy. To truly elevate your pho, begin by selecting fresh chili peppers like bird's eye or serrano. You can slice them thinly and add them directly to your bowl for an immediate kick. Another simple method is to drizzle in some chili oil or sriracha sauce. For a more integrated heat, you might even consider infusing your broth with spices from the start. Let's explore these options further. Fresh chili peppers are your best friend for instant spice. Bird's eye chilies, for example, deliver a potent heat that can be adjusted by how many you add. For a different profile, sriracha sauce offers a fantastic blend of garlic, vinegar, and chili, perfect for stirring into your individual serving. Don't forget chili oil, which brings a beautiful red hue and a fragrant, savory warmth to your pho. These are quick and effective ways to customize your spice level. For a deeper, more integrated spice, consider infusing your pho broth itself. You can simmer dried chilies, such as arbol or guajillo, directly in the broth for several hours to extract their full flavor and heat. Another approach is to incorporate chili flakes or a good quality chili powder during the broth's cooking process. Roasting fresh peppers before adding them can also unlock a smoky, complex heat that permeates every spoonful. This method creates a consistently spicy experience. For the adventurous, crafting your own chili paste allows for ultimate control over flavor and heat. You can blend various fresh and dried chilies with aromatics like garlic and ginger. Another excellent option is fermented chili bean paste, which introduces a wonderful umami depth along with its spice. This adds a layer of complexity that elevates your pho beyond the ordinary. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to enhance your home. Enjoy your perfectly spiced pho.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.